Find or read reviews that people are talking of REDTIGER F5 Wi-Fi dash cam front, 1080p Full HD, smart dash camera. Why you choose REDTIGER F5 Wi-Fi dash cam front, 1080p Full HD, smart dash camera. Below are some reasons why you should choose. 1080p front mini dash cam. The REDTIGER F5 front camera provides 1920x 1080p Ultra HD video quality f2.0 large aperture. The lens ultra-wide angle design, to give you less blind spots for you to bring a broader view, to provide you with a safe and comfortable driving journey. Built-in Wi-Fi REDTIGER app control view the real-time video and manipulate the functions of F5 dash cam by connecting to the built-in Wi-Fi of F5 using REDTIGER app on iOS or Android smartphone. Note, please see the manual for specific Wi-Fi connection. Effective distance to connect Wi-Fi is only 3 to 5 meters. Parking monitor collision sensing time-lapse recording under the parking monitoring mode, set collision sensitivity, high/middle/low. The F5 can trigger automatically emergency video saving when collision happens. You can also use the time-lapse recording function and choose to guard your car safety for 1/6/24/48 hours. Please note, the parking monitoring function requires the use of an exclusive hardwire kit and needs to be purchased separately. Loop recording quick view. Implement the loop recording function. When the TF card recording is full, it will automatically overwrite the earliest recorded video. Thus can ensure that can continue to record normally. It also allows you to find the video you want faster. Easy installation use. Find a suitable installation location, stick the electrostatic paste on the front windshield. F5 mini dash camera supports 360-degree rotation. You can easily adjust the lens angle. Only one power button. When you press it will start recording video and voice. If you for more than 3 seconds long press the power button, F5 will reset the factory settings. Support removable bracket. When you leave the car can easily and conveniently take off the F5, no longer confined to the car, convenient for you to view the recorded video in any venue. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.